Hey guys, it's me, Rodney, and I'm fishing with
Arthur.
And so
guy.
we are going to try to catch a bass on live crawfish and try to get some underwater footage. I wanted to show you guys the difference between hooking through the nose with a crawfish versus hooking through the tail. And hopefully you appreciate those underwater footage. We have as you can see already, we have a cool challenge that we want to try after catching some bass on crawfish. And what are we gonna do, Arthur?
We're gonna try to get at least a bass or a sunfish on this little drone.
So how are you gonna rig that up?
Well, you know, just a little bit of line, a hook.
Okay, so can I show them what you're gonna be using?
Yeah, it's somewhere here.
Basically, we have this drone that Arthur, of course, is going to be using, and he's warming it up right now. And then we're gonna be using this little mini jig right here, and attached to it is 4-pound test, and we just attach it to the drone itself. And so basically our challenge is to catch a sunfish or a bass, or any kind of fish using a drone. You ready? Ready, Arthur?
Let's do this.
Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to rig a live crawfish to catch your bass. A lot of people say hook the tail so the crawfish lasts longer. Yes, you can do that, but what I've seen underwater is that the bass like to attack the crawfish or bite the crawfish head on instead of grabbing from the tail. So my method, I'm gonna just peel this pincher off so it doesn't pinch me. So there's the crawfish right here, and so how to rig it is fairly simple. You get your size 1 hook right here, just like that, and then you're going to nose hook it. You're gonna superficially nose hook it so you're not piercing the brain. And so it looks like that. Hopefully you guys can see that. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and try to catch a bass with this in this little pool of water right here to my left, and see if any bass like to bite. Fly lining crawfish is pretty cool. See a lot of sunfish coming out. Oh, here's some bass. There's one. There's one. So I saw that bass actually head on attack that crawfish. And there's the hook. That size 1 hook. Nice bass. Nice bass. Nice coloration on a live crawfish. So that's it, guys. Just try to nose hook your crawfish if you're not getting bites with your crawfish by hooking the crawfish with the tail. So that's my go-to method for catching bass on a live crawfish. I hope this tip helps you guys. All right, let's get a nice little release on this guy. Here you go. See you, buddy. And I'm actually gonna rig it through the tail. So basically what I'm gonna do here is that same hook it through the tail from the bottom up, so the hook is exposed from the top. So that's usually what I use when I hook it. But we're gonna put the GoPro underwater and see if the bass actually take the crawfish from the side, from the back, or from the top. And you'll see why I like hooking the crawfish through the nose versus the tail. But let's try this technique out. Never know until you try. Alright, so I'm actually just going to throw this crawfish out there, right next to the GoPro that we put underwater. That's a good cast, Arthur, actually. And then we're just going to, oh Jesus! That was super, I felt the tug actually.
Come on, make it happen.
Oh my god. So again, take 2. We're gonna put the crawfish right in front of the GoPro, and you'll see how the bass react underwater. Actually see a bass right now, actually. One of the advantages for hooking through the tail is longevity of the bait or of the crawfish itself versus hooking it through the nose. But a disadvantage is the bass like grabbing it head on first versus getting it from the back. Here's one, here's one. Oh! Came off. It's hard because I see the bass actually attacking the crawfish head on first, and I can't get a good hook set. And if I allow that bass to actually swallow the crawfish whole, then I'm risking the chance for the hook to be gut hooked, and we definitely don't want that. We just want to feed the bass actually and just lip the bass instead of gut hooking. So that's why I like sight fishing for the bass versus allowing the crawfish to wait there and get eaten whole, and that potential of the hook getting in its belly or through the gut. Hey Arthur, I see one. I see one. This is the hook. It's on the nose of the crawfish. There you go. Got it. Got it. Oh, there you go. Oh shoot. There you go. Oh yeah, buddy. There you go. Look at that. You can see it. Look at that. So awesome. There you go. Nice bass. Another nice bass. Nose hooking it on live crawfish. Woo! Maybe he probably ate another crawfish. Look at that. The belly's nice and full. The belly's nice and full. So cool. Alright. See you, buddy. Thanks for letting me catch you. Yo! Alright, so what we have here, where's the string? So we have this mini jig right here, 132 ounce mini jig, if you guys can see that. Attached to it is the most expensive fishing rig, a drone. So our mission today, hopefully, Arthur,
Hopefully it works.
is to what?
Catch a sunfish.
Catch a
Just
sunfish
something.
with a drone. All right, you ready, Arthur?
Let's do this. 3, 2, 1.
Alrighty. 5 mini jig. So we're gonna put that mini jig right there in the pool, and we'll see if we can catch a sunfish with it. I think we're scaring a lot of sunfish.
Oh, crap.
But it's okay.
Work. Let's see.
Just let it fall. Mini, oh dude. Let it fall down a little bit more. Can you like bobble it? Can you bobble it? Yeah. Can't even see it because it's so much wind. Oh, I can see the jig now. I think it's scaring it. Oh dude, they were coming.
What?
They were coming. Just up and down motions, up and down motions. There's like 5 sunfish there. A little bit lower.
I'm gonna bring it closer to me.
There you go. Get it! Yes! Oh, yeah, we did it! We did it! Yes! We'll bring it over here. Dude, we did it! We have a sunfish on a drone! I'm gonna grab it here. That's so awesome. That's so cool. Look at that. A drone catching a sunfish. That's so awesome. Good job, Arthur. That was so awesome. All right, let's get this guy out. There we go. I'm going to release this guy. See you, buddy. And there's the drone. Dude, that was awesome.
Holy crap.
That was awesome.
Let's go to tuna.
I hope you appreciate that video of catching a sunfish on a drone. Most expensive fishing rig, in my opinion, to catch a sunfish. Give us a thumbs up. Drop a comment below if you really like these types of videos. Let's say if we get more than 300 likes on this one, then we'll try to catch a bass.
I can't believe that worked.
I can't believe that worked.
That's so crazy.
I mean, it's so noisy. It's so noisy.
Look at all the ripples in the water.
Yeah. But hey, that mini jig though. Deadly combination. I really think it's because of the lucky helmet.
Thank you, helmet. Keeping us protected at all times.
So Arthur, I heard you got a bass.
We did. You won't believe it. The size is huge. It's so big.
Let's see it.
Oh. It hates me already.